Hello, welcome to Furnishers 5. This is Ashil Gupta at your service. Today we are in T63D in Shilpa Kukreja's ma'am place. So here we are entering into this beautiful home. Yeah,
Hello,
hello
hi
ma'am. How are
Ashul.
you?
I'm well. How are you? Welcome.
So here we are with Shilpa ma'am in T63 Smart World Jams Sector 89 Gurgaon. So मैम आप गेट पे ही थे बिल्कुल मैंने बेल बजाई आपने खोल दिया
बिल्कुल वेट कर रही थी.
थैंक यू सो मैम लेट्स लाइक हाउ आर यू मैम
I'm doing very well, Anshul. Thank you. Couldn't be better staying in this wonderful home designed by you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mm,
So, ma'am, today we are here to have a home tour with you,
sure.
like what we have made and
Mhm.
what other things that are like up to your satisfaction, and what other things that doesn't mark your satisfaction as well.
Sure.
Is it something?
Not at all. I can't think of any.
Thank you so
Mhm.
much. So, ma'am, let's start with the kitchen first,
Let's do that. Sure.
please.
Definitely.
After you.
Yeah.
Beautiful kitchen.
Yeah.
So, what are something that makes you go with the white theme of this kitchen and that too matte one?
White, yeah, that's I think my personal preference. You see, the entire house is white. I think I told you that I've traveled a lot, in Europe, and I just love the uniformity and the elegance and the classiness of those
Yeah,
houses, and most of
true.
them are white. Absolutely, you won't be able to differentiate one house from the other. So that was there on my mind whenever I would really make my house. I would use a white, beige, cream color theme, and hence everything is white. I know it is a bit of a high maintenance kind of color, but I'm ready to put that effort and energy into it. But yeah, that's where it comes from.
Yeah, I mean, like because the size of the kitchen is
Yeah,
also small, the white definitely gives
it
you that
makes it look a little bit more
bigger. Yeah.
bigger. Yeah.
So, ma'am, let's talk about like because definitely because if it's a big kitchen, the
Mm-hmm.
designer can easily like design it and able to put lot of accessories in it.
Mm-hmm.
So, but when it's a small kitchen, that makes the technical specifications more
Right,
like
challenging.
so
Yeah.
yeah challenging.
Hmm.
So the technical things, know-how, and everything comes into the picture that
Yeah.
time. So now, if I talk about this kitchen, like how
Mm-hmm.
satisfactory results we can able to produce after
Right,
like
amazing. I think 11 on 10, and I'll tell you the reason
uh,
why. It's because I think
in
my
between we got
entire
11 out of 10 as well. Okay.
my entire bucket list, has been accommodated here in such a small
uh,
space, right? First, I think it was very challenging for them to accommodate a pantry unit, but I was very, very keen. I said, "Mujhe kitchen chahiye to pantry unit ke saath chahiye," right? So that was beautifully
do we have
accommodated.
a pantry over here?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so I wasn't really aware of pantry that could be 4 feet tall. I always thought it's 6 feet, and then I don't have that much of space in my kitchen. But I think I was corrected by your team and said no. I think you can definitely place a 4 feet pantry here. And not just the pantry unit, but also the microwave above it. It is
Uh,
organized so well. Otherwise, it would have eaten up my working space there. That slab on the kitchen, I would have virtually no space to really work.
true.
But that really helped me optimize that space, put some planters there, and then put in my microwave here, which again is wonderful. It's got great, like, from a usability standpoint, it's at a great height. It can be accessed by me, by anyone. And then this entire pantry unit, like I said, which houses almost half of my kitchen, and it's so well organized. Otherwise, all of these things, would be somewhere lying in the open, and, put all my mess inside and close it, and no one would know. So kitchens are always messy, as you know.
Yeah, indeed,
So I
true.
think this was a very, very important piece, which was beautifully accommodated. The
Uh,
second piece was this rolling shutter. Again, I just wanted this. I don't know for what reason, but I really wanted it because it looks so good, right? So this was again something that was
uh,
accommodated, in such a small space.
so you have
But
a
yeah,
socket over there as well at the back
yeah,
of it.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. I can put my air fryer here, and it works beautifully,
Ah, that's
right?
so
So,
great.
and then there are two more shelves in here, and I yet have to kind of fill them up properly, but a bit messy because the house is new. But it's, I think, a great storage space, and not just a great storage space, it looks beautiful too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
indeed, it is looking very beautiful, ma'am.
yeah. And along with that, then these two glass shelves as well.
Ah,
uh,
wow. The big glass shelves in a
yeah,
small
big
kitchen.
one. So
Yeah.
you know what, my daily plates, etc., glasses, all of them fit in here, and I don't have to bend down and take it out. And this is really beautifully organized here, right? The other thing is, because this working area is a bit small, I'm very happy with it though. Priyanka gave me another idea. She said, "Ma'am, you can have another extension of a working area here, which is foldable. I can put it back as well, And if there are guests, or if I need to put in something here, this would serve the purpose. So this was an excellent add-on to the entire kitchen. And then you have those areas on top, which are storage areas. There's so much of space. ऐसे देख के लगता है कि इसमें space नहीं होगी अभी, but there is so much of space. They are still empty. I yet have to fill them up, but there is no dearth of space here. A lot of space. Is another one here, which you see, which I can just keep my crockery and just store my stuff which I don't want to show or highlight. And then in such a small kitchen, they have accommodated a wonderful wicker basket. I can put my onions and tomatoes here. So
And that too with the partition one.
that too with a partition.
If I just give you a clean look, so that too with a partition.
Yeah.
So then generally, like, because in the normal households, it is not like we're buying 10 kgs of onions and 10 kgs of potatoes all the time.
Yeah.
So we can easily put 5 kgs of like things.
Absolutely. It's the world of quick commerce. So I think anything that you want comes in just 5 minutes. So you don't need to have great storage, big storage spaces. So pretty functional kitchen, small but really really functional.
And
kitchen.
with that RO like in this kitchen.
Yeah, I have RO under the sink installed here.
That's so great. So under cabinet RO is there. You have a dustbin and detergent
So
holder.
there is not even a single wire, that's yours. So the kind of advisory that your team gave to my electrician, was amazing. I can't see a single wire, single naked wire here. Everything is concealed. Everything is so beautifully organized that it just looks like a European kitchen. I wish this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Like, we talk about these 3 drawers
Yes.
just at the, like, see, why you have taken the pantry just next to the hob unit.
Yeah.
So, like, what is how you found it functional?
Yeah, so this is extremely functional because if you see the way how it's organized, see, you have a spoon tray here, a cutlery tray here, right? Which is great because you need cutlery when you're cooking something. You just need quick, cutlery, and you're done. So this is extremely well positioned. Then you have the second one, which is for my small plates and my tawa and all of that. And then you have the big karhais and the bigger vessels here, right?
Okay.
So see, everything is so well kind of organized here, one below the other. So I think this particular part, these 3 drawers, serve all my purpose here.
And visually, our right hand always works. Like, if anything is cooking, so after it is cooked, we generally put it on the righter side, and you have a lot of good carpenter, like this counter space over there.
Right. And like I said, that's ergonomics, that's a science, right? A science and an art, so beautifully executed. Then I have this for things that I don't want to take out on a daily basis, but I need them like occasionally. Like a sandwich
amazing
maker
storage,
or
ma'am.
my idli, vessel, everything, my mixie, etc. Everything is housed here nicely. I can keep my mixie here too because you have electric plugs, but everything is housed very, wonderfully here. And there is still a lot of space that I need to, utilize. So
the chimney hob has been provided by the furnishers first.
absolutely, that was complimentary. That saved me, some good money. So thank you so much. And it's of real good quality. So I don't think you've compromised on this at all. Right, this is amazing. It's beautiful, works so well, looks so good, and Glen, of course, is a great brand. So combination of fluted and the plain matte one is also excellent. This was suggested by your team, right? Because I didn't know how it will really look, how the application will really look, and I was like, let's go for fluted, throughout. So then Priyanka told me, no, ma'am, the combination will complement each other, just the plain matte and the fluted, and especially when you're in terms of maintaining, your kitchen, fluted, you may find it a little difficult to maintain if it's everywhere, right? So she said, just go for a plain kind of a laminate here, and you can use this one,
so that they can come up. So
absolutely, it just complements each other, and it's easy to maintain as well because the color is white. Yeah.
So glad, ma'am. So, ma'am, let's find out how the rooms we have designed and what are things that were waiting for us.
Sure,
Let's talk about this beautiful bar unit.
Yeah.
So 0.5 आपके वाले में बहुत कम था. And you want a bar unit over there from the very first day.
Yes, absolutely.
So, like, what are the things here and what are up to, and how satisfied you are with this unit? And let's talk about this journey of this unit from the start.
Journey. Actually, this unit has its own journey. So he's absolutely right. I think again, this unit is an emotion. For people who use the bar would know, right? It's so breathtaking. I just, when I look at it, I just can't focus anywhere else. So sorry about that. Every time I look at it, there is a new thing I admire about it, right? So, like I said, the entire journey, was so beautiful. First, we were just thinking about how to utilize this area, right? The first idea was study. Then, mandir was another idea. But, I'm kind of not going to be there all the time here. So, maintaining the mandir would have been a little difficult. And of course, I'm a person who's very social and like inviting guests, hosting people. So, we thought that the best use of this place would be a bar, right? And it was just a very blurry, a very hazy vision that I had, and Priyanka really brought it to life. She gave me so many designs, for these units, and especially this part. If you see, right, this part, right,
Oh,
it conceals the entire electric
wow.
box and all that you don't want to see, right? So this part again was her idea, and then this small place, making a bar counter work here, plus having ample space for two bartenders to come and do their job here. I think it was so beautifully done, right? And then these glasses here, wine glasses, this
Oh, so
entire
beautiful.
kind of channel to hang them, and then the shelves on top, right? Everything is coming together
So
just
if you need to
beautifully.
hide
Yeah,
those bottles, then you need, I think,
yeah. If I need to hide those bottles, then I can just switch the light off, and there you
ah,
go.
so great.
Right? So if my
Meanwhile, we'll,
son's friends are coming and I don't want them to look at it, then I'll just switch the light off. When my friends are coming, I'll switch it on, right? So that's the beauty of it. Yeah.
yeah. So ma'am, we talk about this unit. Like
Yeah.
obviously, this bio unit is doing so amazing. So are there wine glass hangers also given
Yes,
provided?
absolutely. Yeah, wine glass hangers. So that was something I really wanted, right? And during the design phase only, I said I want the glasses to hang. Then it's going to look like a bar. Otherwise, it may just look like a cabinet, right?
Yeah.
So that was taken care of
And these
beautifully.
floating shelves are resting on, like, I have not seen any kind of a like pillars or something.
Yeah.
They're completely floating.
They are floating, absolutely. How they are floating, I don't know. There is no water. There is just air probably floating in, but that's the magic of the design and the execution, I would say.
That's so
And then
glad.
another part is there is again so much of storage here. So I think Furnishers 5 has tried to maximize storage for me because the house is small. This is probably the smallest unit in the society, right? But the space is so well organized. So we have three cupboards here, right?
Oh
Three storage,
wow.
two here, I mean, two parts here and one half here.
They're quite big storages, ma'am.
Yeah. And then there is one here as well. If your camera can come in here to just take a look. So, like I said, when my son's friends come, I can just lock all my bar, stash it here, and lock my stuff. So he
And
has
it's
no access
lockable.
to it. Yeah, it's
Ah,
lockable. Yes, it's lockable.
can we just
Now,
switch on this light again?
yeah, sure.
Amazing. And the wooden finishes inside.
Yes,
It's
and
just,
look at the louvers there. It
yeah,
just goes so
amazing.
beautiful. Again, this was something I didn't know what to do with the wall at the back, right? It was like maybe it'll just be a plain wall, or maybe we'll just give it a slight different hue, so that it just kind of stands out, in contrast. But then again, Priyanka told me the louvers would look really classy and very premium here. So that's what we did, and the results are here.
That's so beautiful, ma'am. Indeed, it's very beautiful. And the artificates and this everything you put over here is like that, making it more beautiful.
Thank you.
Your personal choices are definitely making this space more functional as more beautiful.
सजाने का तब मन करता है जब सजाने लायक हो, So I think that's what you did, and I did the second part. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And like this is what I see, the fabric finishes, not plain
Yes.
white.
Yeah. Just look at the laminates. There's like some texture,
नहीं
on
तो
them.
बार को बार वाली फील दी गई है मतलब हर
Yes,
पॉइंट पे.
absolutely. And the same laminates are used there as well, so you can see the texture. You take a closer look at it, and it really stands out. Yeah.
So you have a good space, like there's a lag space as well.
It's very comfortable. Two people, like good, nice, bulky people, can sit here. They can have their drink, and two people can get inside as well and serve them. So there is ample space here.
That's
It's not tight at all.
so
Yeah.
glad, ma'am. So great actually. So I can see बिल्कुल बार चेयर्स भी बिल्कुल फिक्स आई हैं इसके हिसाब से.
Yeah, absolutely. And another thing, this counter and the kitchen counter, the good part is that, see, because the house is small, we can't keep a dining table here, right? So, these two slabs here, these two tables really help when we have dinners and, when we have guests over. I can just put my stuff here and people can just come and serve here. So, I think that way it's pretty functional as well, not just, good looking, but, very functional too in terms of its use.
That's so great. That's so great, ma'am. And indeed, this bar unit is literally like out
It's
of like,
breathtaking.
yeah. अगर
It
मैं वो
is.
वीडियो वाले पार्ट को हटा भी दूँ ना अभी, but it's seriously coming out so
Yeah,
beautifully
this
well.
is really good.
And this, actually जो ना बहुत मतलब डिजाइनर वाले पार्ट पे the textured इवन द लेग स्पेस,
हम्म।
इतने छोटे से बार यूनिट में आपके पास लेग स्पेस भी है, that
ये
is
आइडिया अगेन दिस वाज
protruding
देखो
out.
आपके डिजाइनर का आइडिया था, मेरा तो था ही नहीं, आई थॉट कि मे बी यहाँ तक होगा और थोड़ा एक्सटेंड होगा. सो शी टोल्ड मी, प्रियंका told me, now just give it like a curvature here so we can extend it a bit, so you have an extended bar counter, right? And then
Yeah.
when you put in your two chairs, they fit in well. Not just they look good, but people can sit, on it and
Yeah,
kind
the
of
leg
enjoy,
space,
enjoy
like,
the space too.
yeah, when they sit
So
over in the chairs, the leg spaces play a very vital
absolutely,
role.
yeah. There would have been a big crunch if this wouldn't be there, right? It would be like so
Ah.
crunch, and this stool would come here, and then I would block the entrance. So this was really well thought of, yeah.
And that too with the storage inside.
Yes.
A lockable one.
Yeah, lockable.
So this is the beautiful bar unit which we have made for Shilpa ma'am over there, and beautifully decorated by ma'am as well. So here we are entering into the master bedroom of this beautiful place. So ma'am, again a beautiful, beautiful room. So let's talk about this room. Give us a small tour of this room now, please.
Again, I think this room probably has its own character, and I think one of our guests who just came in here, saw both the rooms, and they instantly said that this room has a very romantic vibe. I think so.
Ah.
That's the story of this room. Yeah, it has a very romantic vibe. And if you see, the louvers behind the bed, and the wall art, or the hanging lights, etc. All of them are in a certain theme, right? And then what really complements it is the beautiful wardrobe, right, along with the showcase that was created, in between. So I think it just goes so beautifully well, and it definitely tells a story.
So ma'am, please, like, can you have a look of
Yes.
these wardrobes?
Absolutely, yeah. So like I said, these louvers also were done by Furnishers 5. Then I have the wooden flooring here to make the room look a bit more cozy, right? It's not very dark or overwhelming, but it is quite cozy, and gives again a character to the room, right? And then you come to the cupboard here. So again, please don't mind the mess, but yeah. Yeah, you see you have profile lights in the cupboards, and then enough of ample hanging space here. So I can kind of hang all the clothes here, and plus the shelves as well, where the smaller clothes can be organized wonderfully.
So glad, ma'am. And there's an sensor lights over there,
Yes,
right?
yes, absolutely. They switch on only when I need them, otherwise they are off. And there is a similar storage here as well, but here I wanted a bit of more classification, so you have a lot of boxes here, so that I can store all my smaller clothes and the other stuff here. And they are soft touch, right? So I don't have to worry after after just leaving them here that they're going to stay open. They close on their own, and they look fabulous. And then this one, that's my favorite part. Again, I can use this as storage, to dump in my stuff. But since I didn't need all of it, I used it to display some artifacts. And it looks so gorgeous when the light is on here. This mirror, the abstract mirror here, it's so aesthetic, and it just complements, like I said, the romantic vibe of the room. And then you have the LED also. So if you just want some very ambient, soft lighting in the room, this is it's a great addition, right? Again, great creativity by Furnishers 5.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And indeed, this room looks so beautiful, so cozy, and like I can say, like when you're a couple, most of the time spend in the master bedroom of the room.
Absolutely.
So that should be like a lovable and a romantic place to live in. And this is indeed this is one of the finest places of your house.
Thank you.
So let's go to the other part of this beautiful home, which is, I think, son's room.
That's right.
Here we are in the son's room.
Yeah.
So ma'am, let's give a tour of this room as well,
Yeah.
please. Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely. So this room, I wanted it to be kind of a hybrid room, somewhere in between an adult's room and a child's room. He's a teenager, 18, so he wouldn't like a room that looks like a kid's room. At the same time, he wanted the room to be functional, so that
Ma'am, I
when
said
he
no
comes
one.
here,
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting in between, but no one is going to believe that ma'am have a son who is 18 years old. So,
yeah.
but yes, please,
Thank you.
ma'am.
That's a compliment. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am do have a kid who's 18 years old. I personally met it, but earlier in the very first stage, I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. I'm seriously telling you this. The first day when we met, me and Harsh were
Yeah.
talking about that ma'am के brother है ये.
हाँ.
This is true, very true. And हम लोग बात कर रहे थे इस टॉपिक पे कि मैम अपने ब्रदर के साथ आए हैं फिर ऐसे हैं कि we just like कि ऐसे है, but
I'll tell my son. Yeah.
Yeah. So please.
Yeah. So, like I said, we wanted the room to be somewhere in between an adult's room and a kid's room, just right for my son's age, right? And more functional so that he can use it, when he has to study or when he has to call his friends and just sit and chit chat, right? So, one idea that again, your designer gave was the continuity of the room. If you see, the room has beautiful continuity here. The wardrobes here, the shelves here where, he can keep his books and he can keep his artifacts. And then that merges so beautifully into the study table. And then this unit again, which can be used again either for decoration or, for functional purposes. So just see the continuity of this space. I love the coziness and the continuity of this entire space. It's so beautifully designed and again, amazingly executed, right? And then you have these two floating shelves here. Again, they look, they're just floating in the air, but they are very nicely fixed. They can be used for his trophies. He's a cricketer, so it can be used for his trophies, or it can be used just for decoration. So I think the entire unit here is so seamless and so there's so much of continuity in it, is what I would say.
Yeah, I know when one day when I was there in the Dwarika office when ma'am was selecting the colors and everything.
Yeah.
So just because of that continuity, the designer has suggested this wavy laminates.
Yes,
So
that's right.
that continuity will give you that feel like
Absolutely,
that technical.
absolutely. It complements, the theme of the room. The laminates, if you see here, they are waved, right? Very beautifully waved, and they complement the continuity of the entire room.
That's so glad, ma'am. So, ma'am, if you like talk about this, do we have a light in this wardrobe?
Yes, absolutely. Again, this light, I'm just going to, I think it's on, yeah. There
It's
is
a
light
sensor-based
profile
light,
light,
yeah.
sensor based, whenever you need it. And when you want to hide the chaos, there is no light.
So, do we have a light in this unit as well?
Yes, this unit also has light. Again,
Amazing.
we had to kind of, in fact, when your carpenters were working, I told them to kind of, just have no sensors and just have the light on so that, it can be used for decoration. But then I thought about it, and they also suggested, I wouldn't be able to use it for storage purposes then, because all the mess would be visible. So this also can be used either for decoration or for storage, and then goes so well with the wardrobe, the design of the wardrobe. Again, this, I wanted something different. I didn't want, the laminate and too much of white in my son's room, because so much of white in the house any which ways. So then Priyanka, gave me an idea that why don't you take a glass, shutter here, and then keep this a normal white laminated shutter, and then that just came together so nicely.
That's so great, ma'am, and it's definitely, and see, I can see that as this
Look
bed
at
doesn't
this.
have the
This has a story in itself, right?
Wow,
Because there
wow.
was no place to keep a side table, right? Again, Priyanka told me, I said, Priyanka, where can I keep a side table in this room? Because this bed is going to be, fixed, towards the wall, right? It's not a bed in the middle, right? So she said, ma'am, we will just cut this part and we will make this, your side table, so that and with the storage as well, so that my son can keep his phone, his chargers, and all of it, here. And I could not envision at that point in time ki ye cut ke kaise hoga, but then look at this, is so amazing. This is a piece of art in itself, just
Yeah,
this
indeed
part,
it is.
right?
And
So
it do have this lighting options as well, so that it will
yes,
amazing.
absolutely. So it, if you just want to put these lights on, it just gives you a very good ambient effect. Yeah.
Wow.
You have a complete showcase. You have a side table here. You have a study table here. You have a shelf again to keep books, so you can call it a book rack. And then you have the wardrobes here. So just this unit in itself is serving so many purposes, and it is so wholesome, the way it's been executed.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. It definitely indeed is one of the finest utilization of the space in this small area.
Yeah.
And this is amazing. And definitely the credit goes to you as well, along with the designer. Indeed, very good, ma'am. So you are like, can we have a look of this
Yes,
washroom vanity?
absolutely, absolutely. So decided to keep the washrooms pretty basic for now, right? Did want to go for a glass partition, but we thought we'll do that a little
Okay.
later, because
Okay.
the laminate of the vanity is same as that of the wardrobe. So again, it's very thematic in terms of how it's been executed.
Let's talk about this unit. Like this is indeed one of the finest place again. But if I talk about, if I want to rate any unit in your house, I I'm not sure मैं किसको 2 number देने वाला हूँ because everything comes out to be so beautifully well.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this, how it like complements the overall space, and we have a lot of artifacts over here, and like this, the way we have like placed everything comes out to be so beautiful. As the depth of this space is very like
Very less.
very less.
Yeah.
So we hardly have 6 or 8 inches of space.
Yeah.
Either we can put a lot of storage kind of thing and making this whole area go so clutter, yeah. So like how it goes like 6 inches of space, utilizing this space in a very well way.
Sure. So again, this portion was the most challenging, part of the house, right? We could have done a cabinet here, but then like Anshul said, the width was very, very less, and it wasn't conducive to really, putting up a unit, spending that much of money putting up a unit here. That would look a repetition of what we did here in the bar unit and wouldn't serve any purpose too. So, Furnishers 5 gave us a brilliant idea and suggested us, to use a niche kind of, frame here. And, this is done using POP. As you see, the entire, hall also has, a very, very subtle kind of a POP. So we thought we wanted this to complement, the POP of the house, and at the same time use it to store and to display artifacts, right? And this, I think, by far, if you put all the lights off, this becomes the highlight of the house after the bar.
So
Kind of suggested and designed, of course, designed, yes, but suggested also by, Furnishers 5 designers, because I really didn't know what to do with this space, and it would have looked really like a chand pe daag if, we left it open. So I think this was wonderfully covered, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So ma'am, it is always this foyer area. Like the moment you enter into the house, so there's a blank wall. तो
Right.
इसको कैसे प्लान करना था, क्या इसकी स्टोरी है, प्लीज ये भी आप अगर थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
इसमें प्रकाश डालेंगे
बहुत प्रकाश है. All right. So, Jay, again, like you can see, it's a small living room, right? We wanted the living room to look a little bit more expansive, a little bit more widespread and spacious. So Furnishers 5 suggested that we should have a mirror here. We went back, again, they advise on Vastu as well. So we went back and checked, if this is, compliant as per Vastu. And ideally, you should not have a mirror, facing the
entrance, yeah.
entrance or at the entrance.
Right.
And the reason for that, again, like Anshul said, is because, the positive energies kind of, get blocked, right?
Yes, actually,
Yeah.
when we talk about the residential, I'm sorry, I'm
Yeah.
interrupting in between.
No
So, if we talk about the residential areas, when you enter in the residential, because most of the times we are entering into a house,
Right.
majorly, and
Right.
our guests and like people around, so they come always with the positivity, all the
Yeah,
happiness coming in.
absolutely.
Moreover, so when they enter, the mirror reflect back those happiness. In the
Right.
commercial spaces, it is just opposite.
Okay.
The people we are walking on regularly, on different people are walking
Mhm.
regularly, the mirror helps
Okay.
like reflect back the negativity in the
Okay, I didn't
houses
know
in the
that,
front.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
so this is how
that's-
it goes.
That's informative.
Uh.
Yeah. So because we wanted, the idea of the mirror was so amazing, and especially if you see, the way this has been designed, half moon, and then there is, LED, soft light, behind it. We really wanted this mirror. So we asked Anshul, how can we really mitigate, the blocking of energy here? So then again, they advised us to keep a plant here, right? And then I read about it as well, and was absolutely right. We kept a live plant here. So this is not an artificial plant; it's a live plant, and that helps, in unblocking the energy and retaining the positive energy of the
Right,
house.
it is a Vastu remedy basically that works 100% because the direction of the mirror is also very, very right.
Yes.
If you put a mirror in this direction
Yeah.
or that direction,
Yeah.
so that
That would
is
have
not-
been non-compliant, yeah. So
Right.
direction is absolutely compliant, fortunately. And then we have a remedy for the energy as well.
Yeah, for this house, I can sense it. There's a lot of positive energy which are resting in this house
Yes.
and will be here for long and long. And this God bless this home and all who enter.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
And if you see the false ceiling here, I mean, looking at the house, the theme of the house, and the mood of the house, really, we didn't want something that's very in your face and that's really popping out and very heavy, right? So Furnishers 5 suggested us to go with a very minimalistic, very basic false ceiling with soft lights as well. As you see the rope light, which is giving a great effect. Just that light in itself, looks so beautiful. So if you see the minimalist, false ceiling is really complementing the mood of the living room.
Yeah, indeed it is, ma'am, and it is very, very beautiful. So this is beautiful home. Now completely belongs to Shilpa, ma'am, and we are here in T63D. This is Anshul Gupta with a very, very special guest, Shilpa, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
hosting us today, and it is a glad meeting you again. And we
Thank you,
really
Anshul.
wish that this house
Always
is.
a pleasure, and thank you so much, Furnishes 5, for making my house a beautiful home. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Talk about like the overall the way we coordinated and how it
Hmm.
goes like
Hmm.
from the very start to till the end because घर बनाना हमेशा ही मुश्किल होता है
Yeah.
कैसा कहा जाता है तो
Hmm.
did we make it hassle free and designing and
Hmm.
manufacturing and installation how it
Yeah.
goes from the start to till now.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the best part about engaging with you was that was a very turnkey kind of an engagement, right? I did not have to coordinate with multiple people, whether it is the plumber, the electrician, the carpenter, the designer, right? Everything, was so seamless, and your team worked like absolute clockwork, right? Right from the entire value chain, right from the design stage, the vision, the overall vision, then the designer, then the carpenter, then the electrician, then the executionist, and then all of it really coming together so well was absolutely seamless. And I think that is so process driven. And I was telling Anshul that the SOPs were followed so beautifully, and that's why there was not a single defect in any product, any piece of laminate. It was all just impeccable. The quality was amazing because you follow such I think such strong SOPs, and such
Yeah.
amazing protocols that everything was just perfect.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Point I want to highlight is how beautifully the value chain at Furnishers 5 works. Starting from the designer, who helped me lay out the vision, to the production team who actually ensured that the quality of every single laminate that was installed here is impeccable and has gone through a lot of quality tests. Then to the carpenter who actually assembled it and put it together and was so flexible on the go on the requirements as well. Right, they were not rigid that we've designed this, and if there is a need to flex it, we want. They were absolutely accommodative. And then of course all the electricians and all the fall ceiling guys, the POP guys who came together, everything was so seamless, one after the other, working beautifully as a very cohesive team. That made me save so much of effort from my end. I completely left it to Furnishers 5 to just do what they wanted to do. And that helped me have a lot of trust in the engagement as well.
Thank you so much. The tagline of Furnishers 5 is like our quality inspires the trust.
Yes.
So, ma'am, like if we talk about like, see, I have seen in all the rooms, right,
Hmm.
from your like the son's room and your bedroom to this bar unit to
Yeah.
the kitchen, every unit have some what a white
Yeah.
color, but that
Yeah.
too different.
Yes,
How
that
it?
was a very good question. That was the beauty. I think anyone could have, because my theme was white and beige and creams. Anyone could have made it look very insipid, tasteless, and boring, right? All whites, right? But Furnishers 5 suggested, different kind of laminates, different kind of treatments, different kind of, contrasts, for each of these designs and themes in each of the rooms. That it just brought everything, the whites also to life. So it didn't make it look tasteless and just white and boring. It just brought it to life.
Yeah, because I remember when ma'am was sitting in the Dwarka office, like sitting with the designer, doing
Yes.
the designs. But I think you have done 4 5 sittings.
Yes. About four, for
For
sure. Yeah.
sitting, yeah. So what happens is like I think the video में शायद वो बहुत proper दिखेगा नहीं, but
Mm-hmm.
that is there that this all the white have some kind of texture inside. Like some have the flute one, some have the
Yeah.
waviness.
Yeah.
Like we need that continuous
Yeah.
yeah,
The waves.
continuity over
Yeah.
there, so
Yeah.
that the waves over
Yeah.
there.
That was beautiful. Yeah.
So how do you well like because काफी काफी बार क्या होता है कि we cannot see that
Hmm.
minute details by naked eyes, but that makes the whole experience very
Yeah.
different.
Absolutely. So that's what it is. When it all came together, it I think was nothing short of magic. And like Anshul said, यहाँ meditation कर सकते हैं बैठ के, यहाँ पी सकते हैं बैठ के, यहाँ आराम कर सकते हैं बैठ के, functional है, इसको use कर सकते हैं. So this house has all flavors, different flavors, and that too very subtly, put together, not in a loud way.
So ma'am, when you talk about the timelines of the company,
Oh
like
yeah.
yeah, so how it goes with the timelines?
Amazing. Everything is SOP driven, and the timelines as well. In fact, I think I should really thank you for accelerating and expediting my work, because the
My
timelines,
pleasure.
I think the standard SOPs are like 45 days for production and then 15 to 20 days for assembly. But I got everything in 45 days, dot. And they accommodated my request. My son was coming, from abroad, and he wanted to be in his house when he came, and they helped me, meet that. So
Thank you
amazing in
so
terms of
much.
timelines. I think ahead of time, unlike absolutely the other vendors. I've seen delays everywhere, but I think this was one first my first interaction with a vendor where I got things before time.
You.
That's what touched me the most, actually, and that's why we're sitting here together. So I think the hospitality, the warmth that furnishes five also brings in, I think I said in the beginning, right? Building a house is an emotion, and when somebody shares, your vendor partner shares that kind of emotion with you, then the output is nothing short of magic.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Because sometimes our customers notice the things how we, because we are into it and we are regularly working in one of the, like, the way it is designed, the SOPs and everything, the way the company, from hierarchy level to this to different levels, how the way we are working, we are just continuously working. Sometimes the customers look from the outside and
Yeah,
have an, like, how we functions, and
yeah,
this gives me always a goosebumps when you're saying, like, when talking about us, like,
yeah.
about our working ways and everything, and that
It was a
giving.
very, very professional interaction. I think one of the best experiences of my life, working with them and bringing this vision to life.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Means a
Thank
lot.
you.